ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur. People know me by the name of Kenny Gogia also. I'm a career counselor, well-being coach and a public speaker. Today's morning Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar is by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji in Raag Tanasri Ang 686 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. पढ़ते हाँ समझते हाँ फिर अपनी ज़िंदगी विच अमल करते हाँ. सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु साहिब जी. तनासरी महला पंजवा कार छेवां अष्टपदी एक ओंकार सतगुर प्रसाद. वन यूनिवर्सल क्रिएटेड गॉड बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ द ट्रू गुरु. जो जो जूनी आयो तह तह उर जायो मानस जन्म संजोग पाया. Whoever is born into the world is entangled in it. Human birth is obtained only by good destiny. ताकि है ओट साध राखो देकर हाथ कर कृपा मिलो हर राया. I look to your support, O holy saint. Give me your hand and protect me. By your grace let me meet the Lord my King. अनेक जन्म प्रमथित नहीं पाई. I wandered through countless incarnations, but I did not find stability anywhere. करो सेवा गुर लागो चरण गोविंद जी का मार्ग देहो जी बताई रहाओ. I serve the Guru and I fall at his feet praying, O dear Lord of the universe, please show me the way. Now let's relate this with our day-to-day life so that we can implement it today. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਲਾਈਫ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਇਹ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਬਲੈਸਿੰਗਸ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਬਲੈਸਡ ਲਾਈਫ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੀ ਵੀ ਵੇਸਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗੇ. that we remain entangled with all the materialistic things. See, resources are important. ਉਹ resources ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕਰ ਹੀ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਨਾਲ. resources ਤਾਂ ਮਿਲ ਹੀ ਜਾਣਗੇ. But what is the purpose of this human life? We really need to know. Now how can we know this? अगर सानू clarity नहीं है, we can always seek the support of the expert. कुछ holy people, saints, ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ support ਲੈ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ clarity ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. There's no use of banging your head against the wall कि clarity नहीं मिल रही, clarity नहीं मिल रही. वो कभी भी नहीं मिलेगी ਜਦੋਂ तक ਤੁਸੀਂ किसी expert ਦੀ support नहीं लोगे. Otherwise you'll go on wasting the time like this. Now sometimes change happens slowly, but change doesn't always happen slowly. कई बारी change बड़ी immediate change ਹੁੰਦੀ है. It's like explosion happening, you know. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਐਕਸਪਰਟ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗਾਈਡੈਂਸ ਦਿੱਤੀ. ਦੇयर इज़ एन immediate shift in your being, and when there is an immediate shift in your being, you started taking relevant actions and you started creating your future. And when you started creating your future, you are full of life, you are full of freedom. So it's very important to get clarity. Now what happens with our education system is that we are fixed in one mold. All the human beings are fixed in one mold, that life has to be spent like this. But the truth is that human being is supposed to be blossomed by its own nature. So today's assignment, ਅੱਜ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰੋ. ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਹੋਵੋ that this human life is a blessing. ये बार बार नहीं मिलती. कोई अच्छे कर्म कीते होंगे इस करके we are blessed with the human lives. So rather than just running after all the materialistic things which anyway we are going to get resources, सानू सारे मिल जाते ने, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ हार्ड वर्क भी करना पैंदा है, but still we gather the resources. Try to find out the purpose of your life, and if there is no clarity, try to seek the guidance of the expert and try to know your own nature, your own uniqueness. साड़ी भी similarity की है that we all are human beings, but फ़र्क कितने आंदा है that all of us are unique in our own way. So try to find out your uniqueness and With this, I take your leave. Share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
वाहे गुरु